Okay, learners, here's Meet Sacagawea. So, Sacagawea has an incredible life story. She was kidnapped from her village when she was 12 years old. Then she was sold as a slave to the French fur trappers named Torsante Charbonneau. Many years later, when Lewis and Clark were exploring the West, they met Sacagawea. Lewis and Clark learned that Sacagawea knew how to speak several native languages, so they hired her as an interpreter or translator so they could communicate easily with the Native Americans. Sacagawea and her husband traveled with the team while carrying her newborn on her back. She ended up helping them in many important ways. She knew the land well and served as a guide, showing Lewis and Clark the best routes to take. She taught them which plants were safe to eat and use for medicine. Sacagawea also negotiated with different tribes along the way and was able to get supplies and horses for the men from the Shonan tribe. 6 years after the Lewis and Clark expedition, Sacagawea lost her life. William Clark adopted and took care of her two children. Okay, so that was the end of this passage. On the next few pages, you are going to choose a mild or spicy question to answer. Thank you for listening.